this is Sarah Mikesell with pigsite.com, and today we're here with Jessica Seate. She is a technical manager for oral vaccines with Boehringer Ingelheim. So thanks for being with us today, Jessica.
Thank you for having me.
Very good. We're here at AASV, and I understand you presented to the group. Can you tell us a little bit about your research?
Yes, absolutely. So today I presented a trial where we were looking at the comparison between enterocell ileitis and porcellus ileitis. We looked at those two groups and a non-vaccinated control that was challenged as well. Looking at the results, we looked at IHC, which is pathological lesions, after a challenge with Lawsonia intracellularis, and what we found was that 93.33% of enterocell ileitis vaccinants were lesion-free. That's in contrast to the non-vaccinated control group and porcellus ileitis group, where they had more severe lesions. We also found, looking at qPCR, that enterocell ileitis had less positive fecal qPCR results, and the volume also was less as well. When we looked at the ELISA results between the groups, we see that porcellus ileitis does have some seroconversion 3 weeks post-vaccination, but only 50 to 60% of those pigs get vaccinated. Once we challenged all pigs, all three groups showed seroconversion. So in conclusion to my study, we found that IHC and histopathic lesions for enterocell ileitis was less than both porcellus and the non-vaccinated controlled challenge group. We also found that in this study, under these conditions, enterocell ileitis also had less reduced shedding, and we found that IgG ELISAs are not indicative of protection.
Very good. So, tell me, kind of, I guess, from a practical standpoint, what does a study like this mean for the producer?
Yes. So as we found in the literature, it has been shown that there's a correlation between an increase in lesion severity for Lawsonia intracellularis and a decrease in performance. So in summary, when we can find that enterocell ileitis reduces those lesions and reduces the shedding, therefore it would mean that we have better performance with an enterocell ileitis vaccinate.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for all the information today, Jessica.
Thank you.
This is Sarah Mikesell with thepigsite.com.